Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today's video is going to be a little short, but we are going to talk about a very popular blockchain storage project called Arweave, all right? Simply because it is jam-packed with real-world utility, all right? Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you are interested in trading and would like to try the same exchange that I use, feel free to go ahead and check out the MEXC crypto exchange with the link in the video description below. I personally love this exchange because one, they don't require KYC to trade or to sign up. They do have a KYC option, but you do not have to use it. In addition to that, they allow you to trade crypto futures. In addition to that, they've got over 1,500 different altcoins for altcoin nerds like myself to be able to trade. All right. So, all right, guys. For those of you who aren't familiar with Arweave, Arweave is a decentralized, it's pretty much a decentralized storage as a service platform that allows users to store data permanently in an immutable and censorship resistant environment with an affordable one-time fee. Okay, basically here, you guys, Arweave connects users who pretty much want to provide disk space with users who want permanent data storage, and the entire process is incentivized with Arweave's AR token. Okay, now to fully grasp what Arweave actually is and how it works, I've jumped into Arweave's infrastructure, and here is what I have found out. Okay, so first and foremost, there's Blockweave. Okay, so very first, we've got Blockweave, okay, which Blockweave is pretty much a blockchain-like storage system where the network is divided into decentralized blocks of data, and each Arweave block is linked into two blocks, okay, a preceding block and a random block from the Blockweave called the recall block, okay. Now, unlike traditional blockchain, Arweave does not require nodes to store and sync the entire blockchain to participate in the network. The node can simply download the latest block and join the Arweave network. And this is made possible because Arweave blocks contain a list of hashes of all previous blocks and a list of all active wallets, enabling nodes to verify transactions without downloading the entire blockchain, which honestly can really be a pain in the butt sometimes, okay? In addition, there's also something called Wildfire, okay, which is pretty much a ranking algorithm within Arweave that ranks nodes based on how quickly they respond to data requests on the network. And since nodes are incentivized based on how fast they share data with their peers, Arweave can facilitate costless access to data in their network, okay? Now, the next tier of Arweave's infrastructure is called Black Shadow, okay, which is basically an efficient way to transmit information that enables Arweave to reach consensus at near network speed and process transactions faster without spikes and gas fees when the network usage increases, okay, which is honestly really, really huge, okay. In addition, black shadowing involves removing transactions from the blocks and sending only minimal block data that allows nodes to validate these blocks and reach consensus without receiving the full block, okay? This process overall helps Arweave to achieve a transaction throughput of around 5,000 transactions per second, which honestly isn't too bad considering the focus here is on quality rather than quantity, okay? So now that we've got the technical stuff out of the way, let's talk about some token utility, okay? So here's the thing. Basically, once you buy AR tokens, you can use them to pay for storing data or for storing and retrieving data on Arweave, as well as interact with applications on PermaWeb, all right? I should also note that one thing that truly separates AR from other crypto incentives is its distribution, okay? The fees submitted to the network are not directly paid to nodes that provide data storage services on Arweave. Instead, they're pooled to accrue rooters that would compensate the nodes over a number of years pretty much, okay, which is pretty nice. This is the reason why you get to store data on Arweave for just a one-time upfront payment rather than like a monthly payment or something like that, okay? Overall here though, you guys, Arweave has some truly amazing things going on behind the scenes, and I'll be brutally honest. I have never I never used to be a big fan of, Arweave. I never used to be a big fan of Arweave until I started doing some deep research into what they've got going on, and I have to honestly admit, I'm impressed. And if widespread adoption ever happens, I can truly see a platform like Arweave being adopted on an enterprise level. So now that, now that you guys know a little bit more about Arweave, if any of you guys have any questions or anything about Arweave whatsoever, or anything I mentioned in this video, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter and ask me anything that you would like, okay? I love helping people, which is the main reason I started this channel. So again, if you guys have any questions or concerns, do not hesitate to reach out and ask me, okay? Other than that, you guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this short video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the comment section down below of my future videos.